Hi everyone, now I'll show you this Renata 357. It's SR44W series, silver 1.55 volts. This batch is expired on January 2020, so we're gonna do some testing on this to see if it's still viable. So this is how it looks like. Here's the back, and test one. Seems to be still okay. Okay, test it. Okay, so put the electrodes. .59, wow, okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. So seems to be still sort of okay. And yeah, so 1.55. Okay, so if you find this really helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.